Regular programs will not be seen. Stay tuned for the Miss Texas pageant on KXAS-TV, Channel 5, Fort Worth, Dallas.
Center, the 51st annual Miss Texas pageant, the official state finals to the Miss America pageant. This year, celebrating 25 years in the great city of Fort Worth.
And tonight, you'll see 63 talented and progressive young women vying for the crown of Miss Texas and the more than $50,000 in fees, awards, and scholarships that go with the title. Will she be?
Connie Crawford, Miss Lake Worth. Joe Thompson, Miss Lake of the Pines. Sherry Harris, Miss Lake Meredith. Julianne Hines, Miss Kingsville. Dina Finolio, Miss Keller. Kathy Johnson, Miss Hirschula Bedford. Lori LaRosa, Miss Humble. Kimberly Beckham, Miss Howard County. Sherry Cross, Miss Houston. Leah K. Lyle, Miss Haltom Richland area. Natalie Evans, Miss Greenville. Stephanie Simone, Miss Grand Prairie. Lisa Allenez, Miss Giddings area. Teresa Walston, Miss Garland. Suzanne Robinson, Miss Freestone County. Cindy Losoya, Miss Fort Worth.
10 candidates who have accumulated the greatest number of points will continue their challenge for the title of Miss Texas 1986. Our 10 finalists are Miss Sulphur Springs, Caroline Koki. Miss Dallas, Jonna Ogden. Miss Arlington, Mary Atkins. Miss Fort Worth, Cindy Losoya. Miss Giddings area, Lisa Allenez. Miss Hurst Euless Bedford, Kathy Johnson. Miss Lake of the Pines, Joe Thompson. Miss Duncanville, Leslie Chambers. Miss Haltom Richland area, Leah K. Lyle. Miss Grand Prairie, Stephanie Simone. One of these 10 young ladies will be your new Miss Texas. Did your choice make it to the finals?
Good evening, everyone. I am a 23-year-old senior at the University of Texas at Arlington, pursuing a degree in marketing. I believe goals are an extension of dreams. Tonight, my goal is to become Miss Texas. My dream, to become Miss America. I am Cindy Losoya, Miss Fort Worth.
Miss Fort Worth, Cindy Losoya. edition of Fort Worth. Patsy Cline stirred the emotion of music lovers throughout the world as she sang of her foolish love for a man. With her rendition of Patsy's classic hit, Crazy, is Cindy Losoya, Miss Fort Worth. The tension is building as we await the final decision of our judges. While we're being held in suspense, let's review our 10 finalists. Miss Sulphur Springs, Carol Ann Kelty. Miss Dallas, Jonna Ogden. Miss Arlington, Mary Atkins. Miss Fort Worth, Cindy Losoya. Miss Giddings area, Lisa Alanez. Miss Hurst Euless Bedford, Kathy Johnson. Miss Lake of the Pines, Joe Thompson. Miss Duncanville, Leslie Chambers. Miss Haltom Richland area, Leah K. Lyle. Miss Grand Prairie, Stephanie Simone. Ladies and gentlemen, the judges have reached a decision. The fourth runner-up is Miss Hurst Euless Bedford, Kathy Johnson. The third runner-up is Miss Duncanville, Leslie Chambers. The second runner-up is Jonna Ogden, Miss Dallas. The first runner-up is Miss Arlington, Mary Atkins. Six of the 10 brightest and loveliest, most talented young women in the state of Texas are left on the stage. One of them will be the new Miss Texas. And your new Miss Texas 1986 is Miss Grand Prairie, Stephanie Simone.
Scholarship pageant has been brought to you by Repco Discount Drug Centers, where low everyday discount prices mean you'll get it for less. For all of your personal and family needs, you need all the Repco you can get. By Holly Farms fresh premium quality chicken. America is cooking with Holly Farms. By your Toyota dealer and the affordable Toyota MR2. It's a whole new way to get your kicks. Who could ask for anything more? By Pepsi, the choice of a new generation. And by Southwestern Bell Telephone, offering telehealth. Get the answers. Get telehealth.